Mwega mwiroreri wa metha ya Kagoni. We are counting days gukinya Dubai. That is on 23rd ginyagia 28th. Thini wa kiria tureta Dubai twende na Kagoni second edition. Beredaya thengio muno niwe ubukite na ukariha na riu wetereire thiko cikinye nigetha tucemanie kuria Dubai. Now guess what mwiroreri? Muthenya wa umuthe I am so excited tondu ndirenda guthie kuona umwe wa andu aria mabukite thabari no ni mwanake o munini tu wetagwo Ivan Kirago. Na Ivan Kirago ri arihirwo trip ino ni mamu wao na it is a surprise ndoya ati ni murihire. So wona ndauma haha wabici cia Bountiful ndenda kumutwarira ticket yake na ndimuhe the surprise from her mom. But before then na nyende twaranirie na nyina wa Kirago kana Miriam Kirago na niwe oyo turi nake haha tukwaraniria na njira ya Google Meet. This is the beauty of technology. Tondu Miriam Kirago ndirona ta turio nawe o haha wi mwega.
Ndi mwega muno Monica. Wewe mwega.
Nie ndi mwega. Sorry ne ndagukiria no ndagukiria for a good reason.
Yes.
Na mbere ndaya nyambe ngucokeria ngatho ni undu wa gutwika part ya campaign ino ya guthie Dubai na njira ya kurihira mwanake waku. Nowe mwana uria uri kana wina ciana ingi?
Well, ndina ciana ithatu. Na ciana icio ithatu ni 3 boys. Na uyu mwanake ndenda gu surprise ri. He is my firstborn. He is my dad. Na ina bethe. Na rĩu rĩ kĩrĩa kĩratũmire nyende mũno gu surprise Kirago rĩ nĩ birthday month yake na aciarirwo mweri 26
of August.
Koguo rĩrĩa ndonire ũhoro ũyũ wanyu wa gũthiĩ Dubai rĩ ngĩona thikũ iria mũgakorwo kũu rĩ ĩgakorwo ĩ birthday yake.
Yes.
On 26. Arafu riu ndiracoka ndirakena muno tondu wa mbere ni gucokeria Ngai ngatho ni undu wa mahinda na gutuhe ugima wa mwiri na ni aheire ciana na gicoka akihe first born yo gwitwo Kirago na ningi agicoka akinjiara
Kirago ni aguciarite
riu tiga uguo kiria kiratuma na ngene makiria ri na ngacokeria Ngai ngatho muno ri ni ndaturaga ndiriragiria kugia na mwana wa kairitu no ndiagire ndagire tuhe tutatu na ndeririirie muno guciara maitũ no ndiakihotire no mau no maundu ma Ngai riu mwana kioyo ni anjiarire na kinjiarira mami tondu aciarire tumahatha.
Very nice. Ni ndanyita.
Riu nona akinjiara na akinjiarira mami.
Agikurihira thirĩ.
Akindihira thirĩ.
Riu
ngaigua ngenete muno.
Ukwenda kumwira athie Dubai eke atia? What message do you have for him? Weta mamu wao ukwenda kumwira atia tondu ni egukorwo agithikiriria message ino?
Okay. Yes, hi my son Ivan Kirago, ni ngwendete muno na nijokagiria Ngai ngatho ni kuhe we na o hari uri umenyage mamu wanyu ni akwendete muno makiria ni kunjiara na kunjiarira mami. Ku ndiragu surprise ire ugithie Dubai ni birthday yaku ukene uji enjoy na oweku uguo ugaikara ukaririkana ati kweli ni kiheo kuma kuri mami na ni ngwendete muno na ngwendete kiria mwi hamwe na ciana cianyu. Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much Miriam. Ona ciana icio ingi ona cio ni ungiacira kaundu.
Okay, nawe Jeff ni my second born na Michael my third. Kuna inyuĩ nĩ ndĩmwendete mũno, ndĩmwendete inyuothe Sahol tondũ mwĩ ciana ciakwa na mwĩ kĩrathimo kuma kwĩ Ngai, na nĩ njiguaga ngĩkena mũno nĩ kũheo inyuĩ, na nĩ ngenaga mũno nĩ wendo ũrĩa mũkoragwo mwĩ naguo mũrĩ inyuothe, na ngakena na ũndũ ũngĩ ningĩ ngakena we Jeff na Michael nĩ ũrĩa mũkoragwo mũhete mwana wanyu kĩrago gĩtĩo, mũkamũtua tarĩ we nĩwe mũkũrũ wanyu, nĩ mũmwendete na mũkabuata makinya. Koguo na inyuĩ nĩ ndĩmwendete inyuothe, na ndikuti ona inyuĩ nĩ ngũmũ surprise no nĩ njũĩ Ngai nĩ gũkinyanĩria mahinda.
Nĩguo. Thank you mũno. Thank you so much Miriam. Rĩu wona wanjĩtĩkĩria gĩtĩkĩra nyume gũkũ wabici nĩgetha thiĩ ndwarĩre kĩrago ticket yake.
Thank you so much na Ngai amũrathime na mũgĩthiĩ rũgendo mũthiĩ safe.
Thank you so much na
safe.
Thank you. Na mbica ciothe nĩ tũgagũtũmĩra nĩgetha wone we have had so much fun.
Ndũmĩra mbica ciothe na kuona mũmũtinithie keki ya birthday.
Nĩguo tũgeka.
Happy birthday. Happy early birthday. I love you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aya, all right. Haya, koguo mwĩroreri rĩu reke tume haha nĩgetha tũthiĩ tũgethane na kĩrago kũrĩa arĩ, tũmũnengere ticket yake na tũmũhe surprise yake ya birthday kuma kũrĩ mamu wao ĩrĩa nĩ a ticket to Dubai, thĩinĩ wa Dubai twende na Kagoni. Let's do this.
Karibuni, welcome.
We are here.
Yes.
Right. We are here.
Kahora.
Haya. Twakinya mwĩroreri. Twathiĩ gũtwarĩra Ivan kĩrago dami yake. Na tuna nginya Esther, CEO of Bountiful Safaris and Captain Njoroge Wanjeri. Let's do this. Yes. Ndĩreciria excitement ĩrĩa mwanake ũcio egũkorwo nayo.
Changamuka.
Nĩ gũkũ? Nĩ twathoma namba ya gĩtĩ. Nĩ gũkũ?
Nĩ gũkũ.
Oh, okay. Haya.
Tuna gwĩtana.
Kĩrago
Mr. Kirago. Mwekua. Mwekua.
Yes.
Kirago ni wewe.
Karibu sana.
Chonjo.
Kirago ni wewe.
Mimi ndio Kirago. How are you?
Fine.
Yes.
Naitwa Monica.
Na mimi naitwa Captain.
Captain.
Yes.
Okay.
Naitwa Esther.
Esther namjua. That face is familiar.
It's familiar.
Yes.
Good.
So how are you?
I'm fine. Karibuni.
Tumekutembelea. Yep.
Okay. Welcome. Karibu sana. Welcome. Ingieni tu. Welcome.
Nice.
Oh. Have a seat. Ingieni tu.
Tukuingira nasio.
Ingieni.
Okay. Yes. Kirago.
Wow.
Tumekuambush. Tumekuambush.
Niambushaje hivyo tu.
Sasa. Wigua Gikuyu.
Nijua Gikuyu.
Yothe.
Sorry.
Nijita Monica. Esther. Captain. And our production team. Tumetoka Bountiful Safaris.
Bountiful,
Umeisikia? Umeisikia mahali?
Bountiful najua. Naijua vizuri sana. I'm a follower.
Wewe ni follower.
Mimi ni follower.
Nice. Na tumetumwa na mama ako hapa. Sijui kama unamjua. Ako hapa. Unamjua huyu?
Yes. Miriam.
Who is Miriam?
Miriam is my mom.
This is your mom?
Yes.
Okay, yeye ndiye ametutuma huku with a message for you. Na ninataka nikucheze.
Sawa.
Usikie vile amekwambia. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, hi my son. Ivan Kirago, nigwendete muno. Na nijokagiria Ngai ngatho nikuhe we. Na hari uri umenyage mamu wanyu ni akwendete muno makiria ni kunjiara na kuciarira mami. Ndiragu surprise ile ugithie Dubai ni birthday yaku. Ukene enjoy na oiko uguo ugaikara ukaririkana ati kweli ni kiheo kuma kuri mami na ni gwendete muno na gwendete kiria mwi hamwe na ciana cianyu.
That's a message from your mom. Hamwe na ciana cianyu icio ingĩ ni amwendete muno na renda celebrate birthday yaku in Dubai. My friend. Anataka celebrate birthday yako in Dubai. Na huyo ni your brother?
Yes.
Uriko?
Anaitwa Brian.
Oh, Brian. Brian atawe kuja hapa. Your mom also has a message for you.
Okay.
Yes. So utigakige haro.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much, Miriam. Ona ciana icio ingĩ onacio nĩ ũngĩaciĩra kaũndũ.
Okay, nawe Jeff ni my second born na Michael my dad. Ona inyuĩ nĩ ndĩmwendete mũno, ndĩmwendete inyuothe as a whole tondũ mwĩ ciana ciakwa na mwĩkĩrathimo kuma kwĩ Ngai na nĩ njiguaga ngĩkena mũno nĩ kũheo inyuĩ na nĩ ngenaga mũno nĩ wendo ũrĩa mũkoragwo mwĩnaguo mũrĩ inyuothe na ngakena na undu ũngĩ ningĩ ngakena we Jeff na Michael nĩ ũrĩa mũkoragwo mũhete mwana wanyu Kirago gĩtĩo mũkamũtua tarĩ we niwe mũkũrũ wanyu nĩ mũmwendete na mũkabuata makinyi koguo na inyuĩ nĩ ndĩmwendete inyuothe na ndikuti ona inyuĩ nĩ ngũmũ surprise no nĩ njũĩ Ngai nĩ ukinyaniria mahinda
niguo. Thank you muno. So umepata hiyo message pia? Wewe ni Michael?
Huyu ni Brian.
Oh, wewe ni Brian. Okay. So your mama nawapenda sana. Na amesema hata nyinyi surprise yenu inakuja na tunaileta. But for now anataka Kirago Ivan aende celebrate birthday yake in Dubai and we already have the ticket for him.
Wow.
So Captain, please do the honors. Do the honors.
Wow. You know me, I'm so emotional now.
Yes. So okay, Brian, you're part of this, yes. So
Very emotional.
Yes. Mnakuja kama mmetayarisha mtu kidogo.
So ni ticket yaku. Of course this is a dummy ticket. Esther niagukuhe the real ticket to Dubai on 23rd to 28th of August.
Okay.
And your birthday is on 26th.
Hiyo timing iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Hiyo timing iko sawa.
This is from Bountiful Safari.
Bountiful
so
Safari.
We dream, explore and discover.
Okay.
For Ivan James Kirago, 6 days and 5 nights in the city of gold, Dubai.
Dubai.
Wow.
Yes, so we'll have so much fun in Dubai. Kirago. Yeah, so we'll have so much fun in Dubai. Esta nita kunako tukamutwara Tukamutwara kunako.
Ndweke twambe turute indo ici ci haha.
Oh, the real ticket. Okay, no twambe tuige yo hau. So this way please.
Niu. Undu wa mbere mundu agithie Dubai ri. To mwaka ukigie visa. This is your let me see. This is your visa.
Okay.
Sure.
Oh.
Yes.
That's your visa.
Hiyo si ni wewe.
Yes.
Undu wa keri.
Napatia Brian akushikia.
Ni uko need ticket na ni gukoragwo na different airlines koragwo igithie Dubai na ni twerire yo mam Emirates, KQ, Arabia agigo choose the best.
Wow.
Emirates.
Fly Emirates.
Yes.
You're flying Emirates.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Nafikiri sasa ni kwa autopilot.
Nice.
Sasa I don't know.
Thikũ icio ithathatũ tũgakorwo cukuru rĩ no mũhaka ũgĩkorwo na maũndũ ũreka everyday koguo haha hena package ng'ima ya maũndũ marĩa mothe ũgakorwo ũkĩonera Dubai.
Okay.
Koguo tũgacemania JKIA to board the flight tukinye Dubai tuoywo ta metagwo atĩa the highness no hassle free Wĩingĩre mũkawa wa magegania 5 star
hotel.
Kwĩ Jumeirah.
Yes.
Here we go. Uretwo Crown Plaza Jumeirah.
Crown Plaza.
Crown Plaza.
Crown Plaza Jumeirah.
You'll be there for 5 nights.
5 nights.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a 5 star.
Wow.
Kamu anyu nĩakwendete mũno.
Tukuhe tumaĩ.
Nano ya mamu wanyu akwendete. Rĩu rĩ package ĩrakĩhana ũguo. Rĩu ici nacio nĩcio activities. Ici nacio rĩ nĩcio activities iria ciothe tũgakorwo tũgĩka twĩ Dubai. Nĩ tũgathiĩ desert safari nĩyo ĩno. Nĩ tũgathiĩ Dhow Cruise dinner ĩ haha. Nĩ tũgathiĩ Dubai city tour nĩyo ĩno haha nĩ ũraciona. All these activities nĩ tũgagĩkorwo tũgĩka na oroho rĩ nĩũkĩ Dubai nĩ mũciĩ wa shopping.
Oh yes.
So ukuweka suitcase kega ni undu wa gwikia tuindo.
Suitcase kena fathi.
Kena. Kana kuweka indo gadi nako keremit.
Oh, die njuke na indo.
Koguo rĩ.
Wow.
Itinerary yaku nĩ ĩno ina maũndũ na mathaa ũrĩa akorwo nĩ desert safari mathaa marĩa ũkoyo gatwarwo akorwo nĩ Dhow Cruise dinner ya mathaa maigana ũna wĩ kũrĩa Marina cruise
kũrĩa gũkĩra ngwĩciria
ndĩũkagĩra wambe ũkĩone maũndũ maya mothe nĩguo ndũgagĩceragĩrwo nĩ tũgoka hau reception
tũgakuoya kũrĩa gũkoma na kũrĩa you utilize all the time you have.
Of course.
You wake up 5 in the morning and wait for where to
next.
Wow, thank you so much.
Other extra activities iria ũngĩenda gwĩka ciothe nĩ ũgũciona thĩinĩ wa package ĩno.
Okay.
So
thank you so much.
Ũgagĩbanga tondũ ona maũndũ metagwo entertainment kũrĩa Dubai ndĩngĩkinyĩra ya gũkũ gwitũ.
Definitely.
Nightlife, maũndũ ma magegania, the tallest buildings. Oh my God, we can't tell it enough. We don't want to preempt.
Wow.
We just want you to go and enjoy and have a bountiful experience.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Kagate.
Mimi ngoragwo ndi DJ. I am a DJ. Yeah.
So nũgakorwo gĩtũmixera.
Kũrĩa ũcio nĩguo wĩra wakwa. Na nĩ njĩkaga kĩndũ gĩtagwo rooftop sessions.
Okay.
Ga record mix kwa rooftop somewhere like this one that's playing. It's on YouTube. So yeah, rĩu nĩ thondekaga mix ya all the genres Kikuyu, gospel, secular, everything. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, and I play around Nairobi.
Okay.
So me going to Dubai, mnaweza enda niende huko nipate hata I'll be back there to work there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You go places, you make friends, you create connections, networking. You never know.
Wow. Na kore Miriam Kirago, who has made this dream a reality.
Okay, I did not expect it to go this far. I didn't expect it. Actually, this is a big thing. I didn't know it would be this far because alinitisha tu waliniambia passport yako bado inakuanga that's it. So I knew maybe hata nikienda mbali just around here Tanzania, Zanzibar anywhere. But now you're taking me out of Africa. Wow. Thank you so much. And I love you so much. Yeah, and the family loves you so much. We're thankful for that. Yeah, a lot.
Wow.
Yani sina words sahi, tuseme tu sina words.
tuseme tu men are of few words.
Yeah, men are of few words.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Karibu sana, Ivan.
Yeah.
We can't wait to see you in Dubai on 23rd to 28th of August.
You need next week but one.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, anza kutafuta short sahi. Ndio rahisi.
Sawa. Mmeni surprise leo, mmenikuta. Mmenipata. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Bountiful Safaris. Yeah, and also Monica Kagoni. I also follow your channel. I see the stories that you post there, inspiring stories. Thank you a lot. And also for Captain, thank you for bringing these people home. Yeah. And also for the production team, I'm thankful.
All right.
Yeah.
It has been a very emotional moment.
Kidogo tu tuambie brother yako kitu. Unamwish, are you wishing him all the happiness?
Yes. This is a dream come true. We have been dreaming this together. Yeah, so at least wanasemanga ukiona kichwa cha mwenzako kinalewa katia maji because yours is coming. So yeah, we thank God for this blessing. This is a big blessing. We also thank Mom for what you're doing. We know this is a big sacrifice that you're doing. So thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom, for showing us this love. We will not let you down.
Wow.
Yeah, that's all.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
That's really nice. Thank you, Mona. Thank you so much, guys. Na mirareri niwona twakinyeria Ivan ticket yake. Niwona mufango ni mufango mufashirire wega from departure ni thashigana ndegeri urathie nayo maratari ni mafange wega. This is really nice. Mukawa kuria tugaikara tukoyo no details icio ciothe ciri haha na excursion iria ciothe tugeka thiini wa thiko icio ithano ciothe ciri haha. So ni kama mubango gabangikite wega ukiuma haha ni oi 24th tugeka 25th tugeka 26th tugeka githite gwa Ivan no urorage. Okay, no tuikare thiru gwiciria ni ukunywa tumae tungi kana ni waigania tu. So Esther, we have sold out Dubai this edition. Of course ni tuguthi Dubai rege na rege but holiday to August na ciana ni hingite mundu tana manage kuona Dubai. Do you have other destinations magicera?
Yes, kuna destinations both local and international. And of course thogora ni mufashirira. So for local tuina Amboseli, Samburu. For Masai Mara also we are sold out. So we have Naivasha na Nyuki na Mombasa. And for international still we are selling Dubai, but not group departure, but now individual. For another group departure, we're expecting that during Christmas, which is going on. The bookings are ongoing
for Christmas.
But they can still tour Zanzibar, Mauritius, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, all those
places. Haya, Esther tukirikiriria, there's one thing I noted. We started this campaign meriere mehituku and there are so many people mahingiririo tondu they are no utirari na ite cia ndege utirari na rumu mukawa no nye do insist kaundu kau gakumbukaga tene. How much is it to go right now in Dubai na offer ya turaheanaga a month ago?
Offer ya turaheanaga a month ago irari $1090. No riu offer ya iha thaici aria maracereirwo ni $2000.
Double.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
So fata wa kubuka tene.
Yes.
All right. Haya. Bere ya Captain atwirite the final word. Nigetha mundu a book thabari yake to Dubai individual Mauritius, Zanzibar kana Mombasa local tukuhura thimu iriku kana website?
For the website, www.bountifulsafaris.com. For the phone number or WhatsApp, 0724-844-82. Or they can visit our social media pages at Bountiful Safaris.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Aya, ucio ni CEO witu wa Bountiful Safaris. Captain, tukirikiria ukugatia. See you in Dubai?
Yes, see you in Dubai. I'm so excited. Ndakena muno Monica, and because of this, this was a very emotional moment, especially for people like us. Deganie is because some of us would miss a moment whereby mami witu agikwariria akwire ciugo ta icio cierwo mundu gwitwo James, and I felt it na ndaigua wega muno. And then the other thing is I korwo wewe hau na wina muciari waku ri surprise taisi kuri mami wanyu kana baba wanyu, it would be very good especially for you. Imagine the package iria aigwo ni Ngai wikana kanini uguo agakurera gagukinyia taho uguo James Arikana Brian. You can imagine all that sacrifice. So apart from gifting your children, which would be maybe Tembeza Watoto, there is the Tembeza Wazazi, which is our signature baby product. Iria tukoragwo twina thini wa Bountiful Safaris. So see you in Dubai. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Your mom is so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Brian, can't imagine. Thank
Brian,
you so much.
tunaenda na yeye hiyo ingine ya Zanzibar. So we make sure umeletea Brian kitu gift na Jeff. Hiyo ni lazima.
Lazima nilete hiyo sasa. Hiyo ni kesi. Hiyo itakuwa kesi.
Tutaenda kununua na yeye.
Mbona
Na yeye. So there we have.
That is done.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Yani nafikiri mtaniacha tu niangalie hii kitu kwanza ilond isync isync. But anyway, thank you so much for this.
Yes.
And I'm so grateful to Bountiful Safaris. Yeah. Wanasemanga tembea kwingi uone mengi.
Kweli.
So wacha tutembee tuone. And because Bountiful Safaris is giving us all these offers, I'm sure nikienda kuangalia now the cost of going alone onto all these places yenye nimeona zimelistiwa hapa. Zingine mimi naonanga tu hapa kwa TV watu wamefanya reviews. But now I'm going to see it on my mimi mwenyewe. So I'm sure Bountiful Safaris are giving us a very good offer. And okay, I never thought of me wanna tu Bountiful Safaris watu wakienda nini. Sijawahi fikiria to try niseme wacha nijaribu. But now this one I think sasa mmeniweka kwa hiyo pipeline. Sasa nitakuwa napanga mapema. Alafu hiyo nyamesema ukilipa earlier you get even at a cheaper discount.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think that is what unapanga kitu ya December saa hii. Unaanza kuwekelea. Mnakuwa nalipa pole. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. That is good because unasema unajua pesa zingine unaweza pata ile amount unalipa once itakuwa too much for you, unaweza shindwa hiyo hapana, but I think if you split it into equal portions that will be fine. Yeah. Thank you so much for this.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, hatutaongeza kitu kingine. See you in Dubai.